Honor has officially unveiled its Magic 7 series globally, bringing the Magic 7 Pro and Magic 7 Lite to the international market following their release in China in October 2024. The phones aim to deliver enhanced capabilities, offering a smooth and intuitive user experience. The Honor Magic 7 Pro features a 6.8-inch LTPO AMOLED display with a resolution of 1280 by 2800 pixels. The display offers a peak brightness of 1600 nits during standard usage, climbing to an exceptional 5000 nits in specific scenarios. To reduce eye strain, the device incorporates high-frequency PWM dimming at 4320 Hz. Under the hood, the Magic 7 Pro is powered by Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, paired with up to 12 GB of RAM. The device is equipped with a 5270 mAh battery that supports both 100-watt wired and wireless charging. This marks a downgrade from the 5850 mAh battery, the Chinese version, and the predecessor's 5600 mAh battery. For photography enthusiasts, the handset boasts a 50-megapixel primary camera with a large 1.3-inch sensor and a two-step variable aperture. Additionally, it features a 200MP 3x periscope zoom camera with a 1.4-inch sensor and a 50MP ultra-wide lens with macro support. The Honor Magic 7 Pro also integrates cutting-edge artificial intelligence features, including AI-powered Honor Notes, real-time AI translation, and Gemini AI. The handset's available in two stunning colors, Lunar Shadow Gray and Black. Pricing starts at 1,300 or 1,100 euros. The Honor Magic 7 Lite comes with a slightly smaller 6.78-inch AMOLED screen, offering a resolution of 1224 by 2700 pixels and a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. It's powered by the Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 chipset and includes 8 GB of RAM. In terms of camera capabilities, the Magic 7 Lite includes a 108MP main sensor, a 5MP ultra-wide camera, and a 16MP front-facing camera, catering to users' photography and video needs. The device is powered by a massive 6600 mAh battery with support for 66-watt fast charging, ensuring extended usage and quick charging times. The Honor Magic 7 Lite is available in titanium purple and titanium black. The 256GB model is priced at 400 euros.